So how many people get to say that their office is a giant arena that's focused on bringing people in to have a good time? Here in this world, I get to say that, and I enjoy every single day of it.
Technology plays a big role in our fan experience, from connectivity into our visual effects on the center hungs and all the ribbon boards that we have here, making sure that our endpoints are connected, making sure that the network is stable, and making sure that everybody can connect to what they need to connect to so that everybody can have a great fan experience.
Everything that happens within a sports or entertainment venue is now driven by technology. There's nothing that goes on here that does not have some technological backbone to it. That's only going to continue to grow. The expectations of both internal employees and resources and fans attending those events is going to increase. They're going to want more technology. They're going to want it more seamless, more integrated, and embracing that now will make the future even easier. I'm John Santee. I'm the Vice President of Information Technology for the Atlanta Hawks and State Farm Arena. We host every kind of event that you can imagine here, and there is no typical day for us. The technology that goes into both athletic events, game day events, as well as concert events is diverse. It's always challenging, and it's always a lot of fun.
My name is Rowell. I'm the Technical Help Desk Manager here at the Atlanta Hawks, and I've been with the organization for 7 years.
So during an event, everything has to work. You can't have an outage, you can't have downtime. So having products that we can rely on to alert us before we have a problem is critical. And the entire suite of ManageEngine products that we use here within our IT department all contribute to that visibility and that reliability. So right now we have multiple products from ManageEngine. We are using the ADAudit Plus, which gives us visibility into our Active Directory environment. We're utilizing Endpoint Central, which handles our patch management and is our source of truth for all of our asset inventory. We have ServiceDesk Plus, which took us from a manual email-based help desk ticketing system into one that gives us true ticket visibility as well as dashboards and reporting insights. And then we have Operations Manager, which gives us end-to-end visibility into the uptime and reliability of our entire critical infrastructure. With ADAudit Plus, we have real-time visibility into any change that's made to that environment. We can see accounts that are created, accounts that are removed, enabled, or disabled. All of that then contributes to our security posture in that we have not only the real-time visibility, but then we have historical auditable records of everything that has been done in our environment. So since we've implemented ADAudit Plus, the amount of time that it takes for us to audit and review our accounts has gone from several days of manual information gathering to a matter of minutes of reviewing logs and records. So we've been able to realize savings across multiple different areas. One of the most immediate has been with cost. By centralizing on the ManageEngine set of products, we've been able to reduce a lot of duplication of products, and we've been able to consolidate a lot of our licensing into the ManageEngine suite. When it comes to time savings, the automated alerting that we're able to receive, along with the integrated incident and change management of the products, now instead of constantly tracking down people and looking through emails, we have a single repository for all of our information to track a process from beginning to end.
The reason that we chose ServiceDesk Plus was, one, metrics and reporting. Two, was for our users to easily transition to using our tool. The third reason we chose ServiceDesk Plus was the ability to scale quickly with it, right? Out of the box, it provided everything that we needed, but we wanted to have something that could grow with us and mature with our IT posture. With ServiceDesk Plus, we had the visibility now to see that we're closing on a monthly basis 95% of our requests that come in. One of the things that was very helpful was onboarding experience. Having somebody dedicated to helping us get off the ground. And then also ongoing support is big. We always want to try new things and add new things to it. So being able to send an email or pick up the phone and call and have somebody answer and help us walk through whatever we're trying to get done. We currently manage about 1,000 different endpoints, whether it be desktops, laptops, printers, and mobile devices, iPads, iPhones, over 3 different locations. We use Endpoint Central daily with our patch management. And now we have a structured process where we can go in at a click of a button and deploy patches.
We were able to bring in all of our patch management as well as software deployment of a lot of our different applications that we use here in our environment. This tool brought it in very simply and very quickly allowed us to have full control over all of that. With our environment and uptime being so critical, my team needed to have full visibility of all of our critical infrastructure. Not only was something up or down, but the utilization and all of the other various metrics that you might need from such an environment. With OpsManager, we have that. We can see all of the uptime, we can see all of the utilization, and with that, we're able to anticipate problems before they happen, or in the unlikely event that we do have an issue, we see it in real time and can be responding often before anybody else lets us know that there's an issue. With our IT department, we knew that we wanted to grow and mature. That has several steps involved. The first step was just visibility. We had to know where our systems and our data were and be able to know that it was accurate and reliable. ManageEngine products gave us that first step. Then we knew we were ready to move on to automation. The tools that we have with ManageEngine all natively integrate and have a full set of automation tools that are built in. They all allow us to take the data that we now know that we have and implement it in a way that makes things easier and faster for all of our groups. We cannot accomplish everything that we want to do on our own. We are dependent on and rely on having good products, good services, and good partners. The ManageEngine team has been with us through every step of the process in implementing our products. They have helped us with best practices. And when we've come to them with ideas of things that we wanted to do, the customer success team has been right there with us working through it every step of the way. We've accomplished more in less time than we ever would have been able to do on our own. A partner is somebody that isn't just selling you a product or putting a widget in place. ManageEngine has been there as a partner. They're somebody that wants to know what your journey is and wants to be a part of that journey.